Bob.
Oh, hello, Walter.
How are you?
Virginia? Good.
How's that lovely daughter of yours?
Oh, Bess is fine. She's out at the mall buying school clothes like I own the mint.
Billy certainly enjoyed those dances with her at the 4th of July party here.
Oh, I'm sure he did.
I've been practicing up on my swing. I hope you're ready to tee off on Saturday.
Oh, my goodness. Was that this Saturday? Oh, I'm sorry, Walter. I guess I completely forgot we were on.
You can't play?
Well, I've already filled in the foursome with Tim Payne. He owns that imported car dealership. Let's take a rain check.
Sure. No problem.
Yeah, it's nice seeing you, Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
Better get used to that, because that's how we're going to be treated now that our son has made his big public announcement that he's gay.
Walter, what good does it do to be suspicious like that? Bob Hollander simply made a mistake.
What, you forgot a golf date we made less than a week ago? I don't think so. That was a very deliberate snub.
All right, let's say it was. But isn't it possible that the reason you're being snubbed is because of the way you've been acting these days?
And thank you for your support.
But Walter, think about it. You're always angry at people, always bitter.
Oh, maybe it's because I'm being shunned, because people are treating me like I've got some kind of a rare disease. You know, I'm not the one who's sick around here.
And neither is Billy.
Right. So you keep saying. What if the decent folk of Landview continue to treat us like lepers, How are we going to react to that? I mean, at the moment, I can't walk down the street. I can't go into a store. I obviously can't even, get together a golf match without people cutting me dead. Or worse yet, snickering. I mean, God, I hate that sound. I mean, I've been thinking maybe we should move far away so I'll never have to hear that sound again.
Walter, we are not moving. Now, Billy starts school again on Monday.
Oh, well, yeah, great. That's going to go wonderfully. I mean, you know how cruel kids can be. Can we go? We have got to do something, and I wish to God I knew what.
You can still talk to your mom these days, right?
Sure. I mean, it's like she doesn't blame me for being gay, but she still thinks I should get cured. I don't know, I guess it's not so bad because at least she's trying to communicate. She's not totally writing me off.
I can't believe your dad won't even talk to you.
It's like we live in the same house, right? But he goes right past me like a ghost. I miss him, If I had him on my side, too, it'd make things much easier when I start back at school.
Would you wait for me out front? I just want to say something to Billy.
Walter.
It's okay. Be all right. Just go ahead.
Dad.
Could I just talk to you for a minute, son? Alone, if it's okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Missed you, Dad.
I haven't gone anywhere. You have.
But you weren't talking to me.
I didn't know what to say. I guess I still don't. But it doesn't mean that I don't want to help you, Billy. I do. I have to figure out how.
Just shooting the breeze like this helps a lot, Dad.
Well, that's good, but we got to do more than that, Billy. We have to shake off all this bad feeling. The town, your friends, the school, all these people that have turned you into a boy that I don't think you even recognize.
You don't get it, do you, Dad? Nobody's turned me into anything strange. I'm me. I'm the same me I always was. And I'm gay. But I've always been that too, Dad. Don't you see? Nobody did this to me. And I'm not a freak.
Billy, you stood up there and you told everyone you were gay. Now, you don't think that the kids at school are going to ignore that, do you? I mean, do you know a lot of gay kids? Did you have a club? Do you go to dances?
No.
Well, I don't know. How many gay kids do you know?
Dad, there's probably lots of them, but they're just afraid like I was.
Don't you see what is going to happen? They are going to make you feel like a sideshow attraction.
Then what do you suggest, Dad? That we just up and leave?
I don't know. I've been thinking about it. Would you go?
And go back to hiding every day of my life? No, Dad. I don't want to run. Maybe if I was ashamed of who I am, I would. But I'm not. I haven't done a thing wrong.
Hey! Hey! Billy! Hi. It's Billy. Oh, God, Billy.
Come in. Billy. Hi.
I'm not disturbing you, am I, Andrew?
No, come in. Sit down, please. Can I get you something? You want something to drink, a soda or something?
How about a new father?
New father?
Yeah.
Things gotten that bad?
Worse. First, my dad gave me the silent treatment. You know, I'd walk into a room and he'd walk out. And yesterday, he talked to me long enough to try and convince me to move out at Lambview. To start all over hiding again.
That is bad.
Yeah.
How about your mom?
My mom. My mom thinks I should see a head doctor. That I need to get my head fixed. Andrew, I don't need to be fixed, you know? I don't need somebody probing at me with needles or something to try to find out why I'm gay. I just need some time, some space.
Maybe a little understanding.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too much to ask. You're entitled to it.
I don't know. I thought that when I came out, things would be different.
But they aren't.
Yeah. But in some ways, they're a lot worse.
How's that?
I don't know. It's like I'm always wondering what people think about me. You know, if they think I'm a freak or I'm sick or disgusting now that they know I'm gay.
Billy, you're none of those things.
I looked up the word homosexual in the dictionary. It said an invert. So I looked up the word invert. And the definition was upside down. Is that what I am, Andrew?
Now,
Upside
Billy,
down?
those are archaic definitions
But they
that have
hurt,
nothing
Andrew.
to do
They
with you.
hurt.
Yes, I know they hurt. I know.
They hurt. Sometimes I wonder if I can face another day. I worry about what people are whispering about me and what they might say to my
Not
face.
all people.
My dad says it's all going to come out on the first day of school.
What's he mean by that?
He thinks there's going to be lots of kids there who are going to make my life a living hell.
How?
Well, he thinks things are going to happen like they did at the country club the other day.
What happened at the country club?
Some guys hassled me. Andrew, I'm just scared. I don't know what...
Okay, look, Billy. It is scary. Yes, it's scary. It stinks. And I admit, when that quilt came to Lambview, I thought that it was really going to change this town, that, I don't know, somehow it was going to plant the seed of compassion, it would take root, it would grow.
But it didn't.
Well, it started to. Some people change. People like my father, that's enough to give me the stomach to keep fighting.
Yeah, but you've got a strong stomach, Andrew. I don't know if I can go on fighting the same battles.
You have got to keep fighting. Now, look, Billy, it's not easy. I know it's not easy. You know it, but you've got the stuff. You've got the stuff. And you're not alone, Billy. Remember that. You are not alone.
Andrew, I don't know if I could have handled all this stuff without you.
Oh, Billy,
Thank you.
You would have done just fine, okay? That's what I'm here for, though. You'd have done just fine.